Yo guys, Nike is changing the game all the way in 2025. We thought we was done with getting, white cement fours, flu games, gammas, taxis. We thought that was all Nike had in store for us in 2025, but we were, sadly mistaken because they have bigger and better things lined up for us this year. Especially in today's video, the details we about to talk about is definitely game changer. So make sure you stick around, stay tuned, because man, I could not believe this when I seen it a couple days ago. But we gotta chop it up about it right now. So let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, man, to another video. You know your boy The Vintage is back. We back with another video for you guys, and like I said, bro, we got some game-changing information that came through. I said we gotta chop it up. It's long overdue. I took a little day off yesterday. This is something important, still something that's super relevant. So if you guys are new here to the channel, you guys already rocking with the vibes, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop, and make sure you guys run them likes up, man. Every single like counts, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So do your boy a solid. Do those three things. Make sure that thing is subscribed right now. Make sure that like button is hit before we get any further. Of course, you guys know my IG will be linked down below in the description box. Been dropping a bunch of reels over there, posting a lot of stuff to my story. Different things that might entertain you guys. So make sure you guys check out, my Instagram and my Twitter, link down below. All right, guys. So man, you guys know, man, with Nike, bro, this year, like I said in the intro, we have gotten so many info that just popped up out of nowhere that we couldn't believe. And I think that with all the heat that we are getting, you probably suspecting like, yo, Nike, what's going on? And one of my boys, he told me, he was like, yo, is Jordan going broke with all the Jordans we dropping? I don't know, but we are getting literally everything we asked for over the last couple of years, all in 1 year. And of course, if you guys know me, I've been trying to dial back on collecting shoes in terms of like just buying everything, get what I truly want, even though I want every shoe because I love shoes, but I want to go and get things that I really want. When that's on top 10 shoes for me this year that I'm trying to cop, I want to go more than 10, 12 at the most, you feel me? But this year we thought that we was just getting massive bangers after banger, and of course with that comes a little bit of hype with certain releases, which makes the resale go up a little higher. In today's video, bro, the information I'm about to tell you guys is about to change the game from Nike, and they just unveiled something totally different, something totally bizarre in my opinion, and it's called Instant Got 'em. Now you guys probably know something similar to that in terms of sneakers pass that we do see in LA and Chicago and different regions, stuff like that, where you have to hurry up and go to the phone, click your size, and you have to be in that specific location. And now they're going to be unveiling that worldwide, especially here in the US, and they're going to be getting people instant got 'em. I said, bro, that is crazy. That is game changing, and it is from a certain time. So it's from like February the 20th to like March the 30th, I believe. Put the dates up right here if I am, messing up those dates. But it is for this month coming up. You guys know, bro, this month we got nothing but bangers, bro. We got Air Jordan 4, Nigel Sylvester, the brick joints, the all red pair. We have the Air Jordan 12 flu games coming out. Let me pull up my calendar right now just to make sure I ain't missing nothing. But we have a ton of heat coming out next month. And that Instant Got 'em might slide across your desk, slide in your notification, and you might be able to secure something instantly without even waiting. That's what I did love about, sneakers passes, if you are in that location, and kind of slim it down a little bit to, I guess you could say, competing against everybody else on an original drop. But now with this Instant Got 'em, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something like an exclusive access type of deal. You know what I'm saying? This is kind of how I'm seeing it, but they're trying to word it a little bit better, rebrand it and kind of throw it out there and see how it sticks with the sneaker community. And Instant Got 'ems and exclusive access is really the same thing if you ask me, but they're doing it for just this month. So I'm guessing this month there are a lot of pairs that they might be producing in terms of what will be coming out. So let me go ahead and talk about the releases we got coming up, man. So again, we got Air Jordan 12 flu games coming out March the 1st. We also have the Air Jordan 13 Cell Pine Green, which is GS pair right there. We also have the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester, like I said, brick by brick. We have Air Jordan 3 I'm on my years, Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays, and we also have the Air Jordan 4 Navy SBs, which might go down as sneaker of the year that I'm hearing, bro. It's a bunch of bangers. And that's not it, bro. We still got the Air Jordan 1 low obsidian UNCs. You guys know how those joints move about 4 or 5 years ago. People love the obsidian joints. And man, I'm telling you right now, bro, this month is loaded with drops. And again, with this instant got 'em, you might get this access. You probably don't gotta worry about going the extra way in terms of putting in raffles and stuff like that, especially if you're like me. If I know I got a W, bro, I'm not gonna go out there and, put in more raffles. I'm not greedy, you feel me? I'm not an opportunist. I go out, if I get something, I'm gonna take that event, I'm gonna take that where it is, and I'm gonna go about my day. But of course, people, they trying to do 15 raffles, go in the store, backdoor them and all that stuff. That's not me personally. But with this instant gala, man, hopefully your boy DaVinci gets it just to see kind of how it goes. But now that I'm kind of talking about it and reading over it again, it almost just sounds like an exclusive access. And with exclusive access, when you do get it, it comes across your phone whenever they tell you to get up on there. And the sizes are not locked up for you. So say for instance you wear a size 9 and somebody else wear like a size 9, or it don't matter what size it is. But if say for instance your size is on there and you wait a little bit, you think you got an easy W, you might have to get a different size. So make sure, I always try to tell people that just because you got exclusive access don't mean your size is locked down. That means it's a stock, it's a pair somewhere out there for you. But if you wait too long, that pair might be gone, or the whole exclusive access might be sold out. It's kind of weird. But again, you guys can let me know how you feel about that. Maybe I'm, kind of perceiving that wrong, but instant got 'em and exclusive access kind of sounds like the same thing. And another thing that kind of made me, what it made me think about is the shot drops. Where are the dang on shot drops, bro? We already in the 3rd month of the year and we haven't seen not one shot drop yet. We did see shot drop in terms of like a pop-up that they did in San Francisco or Alameda, I can't even say it, in California. You guys know what I'm talking about. They did like a shot drop pop-up shop with the SBs, with the white cements. I think they had the Galaxies. They had a whole bunch of heat out there. But again, in my opinion, we really ain't got a true, shot drop that we are used to seeing. Even though we've seen plenty of shot drops like the Cool Gray 9s, at Kicks Crew, that pop-up shot drop that we seen, we ain't seen nothing truly, solely on the Nike Sneakers app. So hopefully that does change here soon. But we know for sure we ain't gonna get one. We might even get one for the flu games. We'll see what happens this week. We had a whole week before the drop. But I told you guys that I'm probably gonna be passing up on the flu games because I already got a pair. Where they at? They behind me somewhere, but I already got them. I feel like I don't need them per se because my pair is still crispy from 2016. So we'll see what happens. I might go back on my word because I'm trying to just plan on all the 10 shoes I got this year. I only picked up 3 or 4 now. Got the Galaxy Foamposites. I have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics, and I guess you can count the Black Toes, but I got those last year. So I'm only at, 3-4 shoes? So, I got another 6 or 7 to go before I reach that cap of what I want to get this year. So it's hard, bro. It's hard out here, especially for somebody that loves shoes. They only cop 10 to 12 sneakers in a year. It's just a little bit difficult, bro. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Let me know what you think about this instant got 'em. Definitely changing the game. But again, to me, kind of sound like exclusive access, but just spin it up in a fancier word or fancier phrase to getting the shoes, man. But again, man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and let me know, like I said, drop your comments, thoughts, and reactions about what we do have coming from Nike Jordan brand. It's getting crazy, bro. We just getting started. We still in February, bro. It's the shortest month of the year, but it doesn't feel like we've been in February forever, bro. So again, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Ultimate said, man, your boy DaVinci. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, and hopefully them bones, hopefully my Galaxies come in because, bro, I'm gonna be so starstruck, man. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one, man. Peace.